Imagine this. You wake up every morning with a stuffy nose, watery eyes, or endless sneezing fits. You assume it's the season, maybe pollen in the air, or just something in your body. But what if I told you the real trigger might be inside your own home? Hidden allergens that quietly sabotage your health every single day. Today, we're going on a journey to uncover the ultimate guide to creating an allergy-free home, step by step. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon because the tips I'm about to share might change your health forever. Why allergens hide in plain sight. Most of us think of allergies as something caused by the outside world, springtime pollen, dusty streets, or polluted air. But research shows that indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. That's right. The place we believe keeps us safe might actually be trapping dust mites, mold spores, pet dander, and invisible particles that fuel allergies every single day. The scary part? You don't see them, but your body feels them through sneezing, coughing, itchy skin, or even fatigue. Step 1. Conquer the bedroom, your first line of defense. Think about this. You spend nearly 1/3 of your life in bed. If allergens lurk anywhere, it's here. The culprits? Dust mites. Those microscopic creatures that thrive in pillows, mattresses, and blankets. The solution? Wash your bedding weekly in hot water. Use dust mite-proof covers for pillows and mattresses. And most importantly, keep clutter away from the bed. Every book pile, every soft toy becomes a dust magnet. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary, not a battleground. Step 2. Flooring choices that matter. Carpets feel cozy, but they're also allergy traps. They collect dust, pollen, and even pet dander, making them hard to fully clean. If you can, switch to hardwood, tile, or vinyl flooring. But if removing carpets isn't an option, don't worry. The trick is to vacuum with a HEPA filter vacuum cleaner at least twice a week. Why HEPA? Because it actually traps microscopic allergens instead of blowing them back into the air. Think of it as a shield between you and invisible invaders. Step 3. The power of air purification. Here's a powerful truth. You can't always control outdoor pollution, but you can control what you breathe indoors. Air purifiers with HEPA filters can remove dust, pollen, mold spores, and even smoke particles from your air. Place one in the rooms where you spend the most time, your bedroom and living area. And don't forget ventilation. Open your windows for short periods during the day, but avoid doing so when pollen counts are high. Fresh air is healing, but only when timed right. Step 4. Mold, the silent intruder. Mold is one of the deadliest silent allergens in homes. It thrives in damp areas like bathrooms, basements, and kitchens. The first step? Fix leaks immediately. Never let water stand still. Use a dehumidifier to keep humidity below 50%. And here's a secret hack. Clean mold-prone spots with a borax water solution instead of bleach. Why? Because borax doesn't just clean, it prevents mold from growing back. That's how you stop the cycle for good. Step 5. Pets. Love them. Manage their dander. Our pets are family, but their dander, tiny flakes of skin, can trigger severe allergies. Does that mean you stop cuddling them? Absolutely not. It means you manage smartly, bathe and brush pets regularly, vacuum their favorite lounging spots, and keep them off the bed. If possible, create a pet-free zone in your bedroom. That way, at least one part of your home becomes your allergy-safe haven. Step 6. Declutter for your health. Allergens love to hide in clutter. Piles of clothes, stacks of magazines, random storage corners, all become dust factories. Simplifying your home isn't just about aesthetics, it's about health. Adopt a minimalist mindset. Keep what you need and store the rest in sealed containers. Every item you remove is one less hiding spot for allergens. Step 7. The kitchen, a surprising source. You'd be surprised how often the kitchen becomes an allergy hotspot. Crumbs attract pests, and pests leave droppings that become allergens themselves. Always wipe counters after cooking. Store food in sealed containers and take out the trash daily. And don't forget the fridge. Old, moldy food is an allergen bomb waiting to explode. Clean it weekly, and you'll breathe easier, knowing your meals aren't served with hidden triggers. Step 8. Fabrics. Soft but sneaky. Curtains, upholstery, even cushions look innocent, but trap allergens like crazy. Wash curtains regularly, or better yet, switch to blinds. Choose leather or vinyl furniture over fabric if possible. And for things you can't wash often, like couches, vacuum with a HEPA attachment. Fabrics add comfort, but with the right care, they won't add sneezes. Step 9. Smart cleaning habits. The way you clean matters as much as how often you clean. Dust with damp cloths instead of dry ones. This traps dust instead of scattering it. Mop floors after vacuuming to catch what the vacuum missed. And here's a game changer. Wear a mask while cleaning if you're sensitive. Cleaning should help, not trigger more symptoms. Step 10. Small daily rituals that transform. Sometimes it's not the big changes, but the small habits that create lasting relief. Open bedding to air out daily. Leave shoes at the door to stop outside allergens from traveling in. Change clothes after coming home from outside. And if you have seasonal seasonal allergies? Shower at night instead of in the morning. You'll wash pollen away before it clings to your sheets, your home, your health. At the end of the day, your home should be the one place where you can breathe freely, rest deeply, and heal naturally. Allergies don't have to rule your life. If you create the right environment, your body can finally find peace. Remember, every small change adds up. Whether it's washing your sheets, purifying your air, or decluttering your space, you're building an invisible shield around your health. So ask yourself, what's the first step you'll take today to create your allergy-free home? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more life-changing tips. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community, because when your home is healthy, your life becomes healthier too.